Now, this only works if you're brand registered, but if you are brand registered, you get what's called brand analytics. And that's kind of an advanced research tool or a keyword search tool. And what's really cool about brand analytics is that you can look at last year and see what users were actually or what shoppers were typing. So you could go to last year, maybe put your product type in there and just see if there's any kind of Christmas related keywords in there. And that is something that we suggest trying, at least testing out. If you see your product with a kind of maybe a gift or Christmas, let's say it's a candle, maybe you can see Christmas candle. If there's ways that you can make your product a little bit more relevant to people, what they're searching for right now, then that's one of the things that we suggest that you do. Now, a lot of new sellers, of course, don't have access to brand analytics. Again, it's only if you're brand registered that you do get access to that. But even if you don't have brand analytics, you can still test things out. And right now is a really good time to do it. It's only the 9th. You've got a lot of people that are still searching for ideas and Christmas gifts and things like that. So, if your product is relevant, if you think your product might be good as a gift, for example, this is a good thing to test out. And all you got to do is just figure out, okay, again, if you're selling candles, maybe you just change the title of your product listing to winter candles or seasonal candle or holiday candle. Again, sticking with that candle product. But if you can update your listing, then again, you might get picked up for those types of keywords. And if, again, users are browsing, a lot of shoppers right now are using Amazon for discovery, which a couple of years ago they weren't. Like Google was your discovery engine. Amazon is where you went when you knew what you wanted. People are now just skipping Google and just going straight to Amazon now. So when they're searching for ideas, Christmas gift ideas, if you can take some of those words and put them into your listing, your title, maybe your bullets, we definitely see that that's one way to take advantage of this increased holiday traffic that we're seeing right now.
And you're getting most of that information out of brand analytics, or are you just going after seasonal words?
Yeah. So looking at brand analytics again and looking at your product for last year, you can see what types of searches that shoppers are doing, which is pretty cool. It's not limited to just your product either. It's like if you do it right now, actually for brand analytics for last year, December of 2019, you would see most shoppers were searching for like AirPods and electronics. It was like electronic keywords. And then you see some Christmas keywords, like Christmas gift ideas and things like that is what you see for last year. Who knows what it's going to be for this year, given that it's a completely different shopping environment. But looking at that kind of information last year gives you an idea of what people were searching for. And again, all you do is type in whatever your product is. You type that in, and then you can see what type of words that include your product in it were being used.